Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 5th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather still cold and dry for the weekend, wet on Monday. Could there be some sleet or freezing rain Sunday night as it begins? Let's talk about the possibilities, and here we go. Water vapor satellite view, big trough in the east, and you know it's cold. Mostly 30s this afternoon. In fact, Fort Payne sitting at 32, Decatur 33, Birmingham 39. Another hard freeze likely tonight. We'll go back in the teens early tomorrow morning. Very cold around the Great Lakes and the northeastern states in the wake of the big storm that rolled up the eastern seaboard yesterday. But they'll moderate a good bit in coming weeks as the pattern begins to flip. On the watch warning map, we've got wind chill warnings and advisories in effect for much of the Northeast because of the cold. Freeze warnings down into parts of central Florida tonight. Otherwise, things are quiet. And no thunder today and tonight because of the stable air. This is the rain for the next 7 days around the continental United States. Pretty big rains out west on the west coast. And around here, rain amounts a little over 1 inch. And this will be mainly Sunday night and Monday. So let's check it out. Model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Troughing on the East Coast. For us, a sunny day. We start the day in the teens. The high should be in the low 40s, really similar to today. This is Sunday. The winds veer to the south. Sunday morning will be in the low 20s. The high Sunday in the upper 40s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 49 for Birmingham. A mixture of clouds and sunshine. Clouds will thicken Sunday night. Now, this is Sunday night at midnight, 12 a.m. Monday. And rain begins to move in to the state, and for most of Alabama, it should be rain. However, in the colder pockets, especially over northeast Alabama, north and east of Birmingham, there could be a few spots near freezing. That could mean at the onset of this, there could be some freezing rain or sleet. I think the impact, if any, should be fairly minor, but bridge icing can't be totally ruled out for a brief time. We'll go to 6 o'clock Monday morning, again off the GFS, and for Alabama at that point, it's all rain. This is suggesting maybe some freezing rain for Atlanta and points north. But again, if you're headed to the national championship game over there Monday, this should be a very temporary issue. The bulk of the day in Atlanta just wet. We'll check the European at the same time. It's slower. This is Monday at 6 o'clock, and it's got, again, maybe some freezing rain or sleet over northeast Alabama. So, again, we'll mainly just forecast rain late Sunday night and Monday. But, again, if you're in northeast Alabama, there could be a brief period of freezing rain or sleet. We think any impact should be relatively minor. And during the day, Monday, just wet. Should be a good rain. Rain amounts about 1 inch with a surface low coming right on top of us. No thunder issues, or at least no severe weather issues, and probably no thunder. Tuesday, that wave is on by. Moisture kind of lingers, but I think we'll leave it dry for our end of the state, but maybe some lingering showers down to the south. And we could be in the 60s here. This is Wednesday, and again, there might be enough moisture for a shower. We're going to leave it dry for now, but temperatures in the 60s on Wednesday. That'll feel really nice. Thursday, same thing, highs in the 60s, mostly cloudy, maybe a shower. A deep surface low is north of St. Louis. A big snow likely for Minneapolis, St. Paul, Madison, Wisconsin, if this verifies. And a week from today, this is Friday the 12th, troughing to the west, and that might bring an increase in rain on the front at the end of next week for us. Friday the 12th, maybe into Friday night or that following Saturday the 13th. This is the end of the forecast period. Monday the 15th, the trough is on to the east, and we are cool and dry. In fact, anomalies on Monday the 15th. Again, pretty far below average if this verifies, but the west is relatively mild. But look at the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Look at those 60s next week. Yes, sir. And then we turn colder again with highs in the 40s that following week with lows in the 20s. But again, nothing like that brutal cold we've been dealing with around here this week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted here Monday morning by 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have these updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.